Child, the kids are playing outside, okay? They playing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup tutorial. If that's something you're interested in watching, then just keep watching, girl, because we're about to get into this look, okay? If you hear anything in the background, child, the kids are playing outside, okay? They playing. And then Milo is in here smacking. I got him these little chicken wings for like a snack, and so he's been like crunching. So he's over here just munching. If you do hear something in the background, girl, just disregard, okay? We do got some new hair, okay? We no longer rocking the curly. I may switch it up again because I like this hair. It's giving what it needs to give, okay? It's giving like a switch up because I've been feeling like I've been doing the same look. So yeah, this is my new hair. Finally got a new wig. Girl is not a hairstylist, okay, but you know, she did what she had to do to make it do what it had to do. I did my brows. I'm not feeling my brows right now. I don't know. You know, some days you be feeling them, you like, girl, them brows is fire. And then sometimes it's like, and today is one of those days. It's like, Let's just go ahead and get into the look. So I'm gonna start off by using my Milk Hydro Grip primer. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, you know this is my jam, okay? If you have not tried this primer out, girl, definitely give it a try because it's one of my favorites. I've already washed my face and prepped it before we get into the makeup look. That's something that you always want to do, girl. Make sure that you wash your skin and just get it ready for the makeup because we're gonna be a full-on beat today. Hopefully you guys are feeling the new look. It looks so much better in person to me than it does on camera right now. Right now it's giving like, I don't know, but in person it looks really good. You guys so much for showing so much love on my last video. I really do appreciate it. Your girl stepped outside her comfort zone and we did a little bit of color. I think today I'm gonna take the Fenty Hydro Grip. I said Hydro Grip, the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I'm also mixing it with the Maybelline. As you can see, this is way darker than my skin tone, but we're gonna keep it pushing. Then we're gonna blend it out onto the skin using an E3 brush from Colourpop. I don't know what it is, but today I've been feeling so sleepy. Do y'all ever go through those days? Like, it's just like you just want to lay down the whole entire day. That's me right now. So hopefully this tutorial isn't too boring, sis, because your girl, honestly, respectfully, I don't have much to talk about. And to blend my foundation out today, I'm taking the bottom of my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. So for concealer today, I'm going to take the Kevyn Aucoin concealer. See, this is what I was talking about when I said that I had a new concealer that I wanted to try, but it was a little bit it's just a little bit too bright. This is the 03. You really don't need a lot when you do try out this new concealer if you do give it a try because it's so thick, like it's super thick. So I'm going to be mixing it today. And this is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin concealer, and this is really full coverage too. So keep that in mind that both of these concealers are very full coverage. And I may drop just a little bit of foundation in there because that Kevyn Aucoin, baby, is like super bright. But we're gonna just add it to the skin. As you can see, like it's super bright. But I will say, if you get your right shade, it doesn't crease. Like, I didn't have creasing until like 5 hours later within my day, no lie. So I'm just gonna take that Makeup Forever concealer and I'm just gonna drag that down just so it won't be so bright everywhere, if that makes sense. So I'm just mixing that. As you can see, that's a lot darker. It's more so my skin, well, like a few shades lighter than my skin tone. And we're just gonna blend it down and drag it down. Then I'm also gonna go upwards with it because I've been noticing that helps shape the face a lot better. Where I know I'm looking like super crazy right now. So if this is if you're watching this for the first time and this is your first time watching me, you're probably like, girl, I'm finna log off. What are you doing? So I am gonna let that dry down just a little bit. I know I know I'm looking so crazy, y'all, but I promise you, like, just trust the process. Trust the processes and just watch it come together, because, you know, I'm going to make sure that y'all are straight, okay, regardless. And now that we've let that dry down a bit, I'm going to blend it out, and then we're going to apply our contour shade. So I'm just taking my I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to blend everything out starting around my chin area. Okay, girl, so we kind of looking crazy, but we're gonna get it back together. I'm taking my Anastasia Cocoa, I think this is Coca, and I'm just going to use this to contour. Stay with me. I know I'm looking at myself and I'm just like, girl, what? I'm just gonna take my Real Technique brush, and I'm using this brush because it's smaller and I'm able to get closer to my hairline. Closer to the hairline, so that I won't get makeup like all in my hair. But I'm just taking this and I'm using this to contour. And if you don't like the bright under eye look, then of course you don't want to go use a lighter highlighting shade. So now I'm going to blend out the middle of my nose. I'm also going to contour my nose. I'm going to be using the E9 brush from Colourpop. This line of brushes, I really do like them because I use them on my clients as well. And y'all know, if I use it on myself and I like it, I'm going to use it on my people. I'm just going to take that contour shade and bring it up towards my nose. Bring it up top, or now I'm taking that contour shade and bringing it up towards my eyebrow. And I'm blending it into my brow. I might just get another Kevyn Aucoin concealer and just get it more in my shade that I need, because I actually like it, y'all. And I'm putting just a little bit under my lip just to accentuate my my lips whenever I do my lip liner. It's just gonna make it pop. So I told you guys to trust me, and this is what we have. Like, that's a contour face, okay? Get into it. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and set your under eye. I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Banana Bread. This is one of my favorite powders that I've been loving lately. So I'm just going to take this and set under my eye. And to set my face, I'm taking my powder puff and I'm just blending everything out. I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I'm going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange. And I'm just going to blend that inside the crease. And I'm also taking my Black Radiance Contour Kit and I'm blending the shade Sculpt. And I'm taking that into the crease as well, because that's just going to help. That's just going to help bring everything together. What shade should I take? I think I'm going to take Tempera. It's going to be this lighter shade right here. As you can see, this is not a gently used palette. I love this palette because it's like you can do so much with it and it's still going to hit. You know what I'm saying? I want looks that's like, it's not giving too much, but it's giving just enough. You know, that's what I like to give lately. So yeah, this is definitely a palette that you need to add to your kit, even if you have clients, or just add to your makeup collection, because it's gonna give, it's gonna do what it needs to do. I'm taking my finger and just applying the shade Tempera to the lid. But if you want to take a brush, you can take a brush as well. This brush is a Morphe brush. This is from the Madison Beer collection, and this is like going towards my crease area, the inner part of my crease. Camera did stop, so I'm not sure where we left off, but I'm gonna take the shade Rustic. I'll pick it up for you guys so you guys can see. I'm taking the shade Rustic and Sienna, and I'm just blending on the outer corner. Let me show you what it looks like, girl. Hopefully you guys can see. It's this shade right here. So now I'm just taking a clean eyeshadow brush to make sure that everything is blended. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my liner. Next, I'm going to go back into the Huda Beauty powder, and I'm just going to kind of cut the sides of my cheeks so that we can get a nice sculpted look. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of blush. I actually like this blush. I used this last time in my my tutorial. This is the My Type blush from Colourpop. It's like a super pink blush, but I actually do like it because it just gives you like that extra you know. So I'm just gonna pat this in, and you want to be light with it because, as you can see, you don't want to go too far in. You don't want to go too heavy with it because it is pigmented. So we have our lashes on. Shop Chelsea Jayy on the lashes, of course. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm going to take two setting sprays. I'm going to take the Pore Professionals by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm going to take their setting spray and spray it on my face. I'm also going to mix a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Okay, y'all, so this lash may look a little funny because I'm letting it dry while I go ahead and just finish up the look. I'm taking Sweet Tea. This is by Morphe, and I'm just going to line my lips. Now I'm going to move into the Butter Gloss. This is by NYX. I'm going to apply this onto my lip. So now I'm going to go in with Diamond Milk by Fenty Beauty. So that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this soft glam makeup tutorial. It was super cute, like flawless, girl. We giving face, okay? We did what we had to do. And that's just that on that. If you did like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and share it with your homegirls, your friends, and put them on this video. Everybody needs a good soft glam makeup look in their back pocket. So make sure that you share this video. And don't forget to drop some comments in the comment section because that's where I am after every upload. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.